Welcome to the Faith Fellowship phone app. For the next few couple minutes, we're going to introduce you to the app. After the app has been installed on your phone, this is what you are going to see. You have About Us, Contact Us, video, photos, events, Facebook, Twitter, join now, sign up for programs, prayer requests, and FFMI website. Let's take a quick view at what the apps are going to pull for us on this phone. About Us is always going to pull the address, the phone number, the website address, and the link to the Facebook in the About Us. And then let's see, for Contact Us. Contact Us is a very useful menu. In here you have the phone, you have the map, you have email, and then you have link. Under the call, you tap on the call, it's going to call right away the office. It's going to pull out the office number on your phone so you can call the office of FFMI. And on the map, you tap on the map, it's going to pull out the navigation, your navigation app on your phone. And then if you tap on the email, is going to pull out the email address and link you to the email of the church. The link here will take you to the website of the church, so you can right away go to the website of the church. So this actually is running in what we call the simulation mode. So on my computer, this is not going to run, but if you install this on your phone, it's going to run perfectly. And that's what we're just going to see shortly after this presentation, for those who are going to install the app right away, so you see how it works. The next item is videos. Under videos, we have all the videos that we've posted up onto our channel on YouTube, and that includes Faith TV broadcasts and recorded broadcasts. So when you go into the videos, you can pull out any of the Faith TV broadcasts. The recent one, which has to do with the one this March, is this.
Hi everyone, welcome. This is Faith TV. My name is Tamara.
So you
and
have,
here I have with me my
Faith TV running on it. We'll fast forward it.
We hope out and His Spirit moves abundantly. So come and join us for this glorious occasion where we celebrate our risen Savior. Thanks for tuning in. Please remember that these dates are subject to change. And as always, this is Faith TV, where we keep you in the loop.
Okay, so that's for Faith TV, and all other videos that we will post onto our channel in YouTube, you can always get them all up here on the app under videos. The next item is photos, and this also has a stream of albums that will pull out onto your phone. And so all recently activities that we had, recent activity on our fire conference and the on Easter would be generated and put out here, so you can always look and enjoy the photos from the events that we have. These are old albums that have been created. For instance, you look at the Night of Worship album, and you have all these pictures that you can always go in there and see. And the good thing about it is, as long as it's created and is on the website, you can always go in there and then see the albums. those that have been put there for years, 2, 3, 4 years, will all be available for you to see. So that's for the photos. And let's go on to the next item, which is events. Under events, you will always see the up and coming events show up, and then the events that are past, you will see all of them if you want to go in and then pull some information on them. We have events that are past, right from Gratitude for Altitude from last year, all showing up in here. Judah shall lead, and our first evening service, and so on. So up and coming events will always show under up and coming events, as long as we put them up on our website. So for the Easter conference, for our conference, this is what we have on it, and you have all the information showing in here, so you can always get the information that you need from the Easter from the app. And one good thing about this is that it also pulls in the map for the location. So if you want to go right to the location, you can tap on it, and then it will pull your GPS and pull the location, and you can put in your current location, and it will bring you right away to the church address. So that's for events. And then the next item in there is Facebook. In the Facebook menu, it pulls out all the Facebook postings that we have on the FFMI postings, and at a click on it, it takes you right to the posting, so you can read it. You can always like the posting, as you always do on your Facebook. One good thing about this app is that it pulls everything right to your phone in one place. Now the next item we have in here is Twitter, and you tap on Twitter, and also pulls out all the tweets that have been put on Twitter for you. So you can always go in there and then look at the tweets, read. You can like a tweet from here. You can follow us on Twitter here also. So that's on Twitter. The next item is Join Now. Join Now is the the item that helps individuals to join the app, and can also be used for people who want to request to be members of the church. You put in information and you submit to us. We can always communicate back to you and give you the details as to how you can follow the set instructions that is needed for you to become a member. So if you needed information, you can also use this app and then get in touch with the church for further information. That's on the Join Now. And then we have the sign up for programs. And this is the item that is going to help you sign up for programs. If you enter your name, email, and a phone address, if it is Deliverance Bootcamp, if it is on membership classes, if it is on testimony memory moments, you just check what you want to participate and click on submit now, and then it comes over to our database. We pull it out and we get in touch with you and call you to confirm all the information that you entered in here. The information this app requires from you is basically your name, your email, and then your phone number. That's all the information that this app requires from you. And then the last but not the least, the last but one on the app, which I like very much, is the prayer request app. This app is such that when you put in your name, your email, and your phone number, and you enter your request, when you tap on submit now, the request goes right away straight into pastor's email, and pastor can always pull out that information and then attend to it as soon as possible. And one good thing about this is that it keeps in touch privacy, so that your information or whatever request that you want, prayer request that you put in for the pastor to help, will not be shared with anybody, but it goes directly to his private phone. So that's for the prayer request. The last item is the FFMI website item. That takes you straight to the FFMI-MA website, and there it pulls it into the phone app format. You can always go in there and everything that you have on our website shows up in here. And there is this item on donate that helps you to donate to the church. If you want to give anything to help programs, to help any events in the church, you can use the donate button and go through the process by selecting amount you want to give, and then go through the process of payment, filling in your information, and you hit on pay, and it does that right away from the card that you use. So basically that's what the Faith Fellowship phone app is going to help us get to do. It has all this information pulled in on your phone at one place. What we intend to do is to continue to update and improve on this app so that it will eventually help us as a church connect better and share better. Thank you for your attention.